Hey, it's Karen Denton here, your KSC Bidding Consultant, where I help cleaning business owners land more contracts with smarter, more strategic bids. And today, we're talking about something that can make or break your chance of winning a contract: the walkthrough. I'm sharing the top 3 mistakes I see over and over again and what you should be doing instead to stand out and to seal the deal. Not asking the right questions is one mistake. So many cleaners just walk around nodding along, but never ask any meaningful questions. That's one big mistake. A walkthrough isn't just for you to go and look at the building. It's your moment to dig into their pain points and collect the data that you need for the bid. Now, the whole purpose of going to a walkthrough is to collect the data. Let me make sure my phone's on silent. You want to collect the data to be able to prepare the bid. And I'll show you guys what I'm working on and show you how specific you want to be. Like when you're on the walkthrough, you could say, what are your biggest complaints with your current cleaners? Or what areas are consistently getting missed? And definitely ask, how often would you like the cleaning services? Now, I got a free walkthrough checklist that you can download below that includes some of the questions and more. And it'll keep you on track. Showing up unprepared or unprofessional is another way. Presentation matters. I don't care how good your crew is. If you show up looking like you just came from a job site with no branding or materials, you're already losing points. So you want to wear a branded shirt or polo, carry a clean folder, clipboard, or tablet. Most people use their phones. I'm still old school. I use the tablet. Bring a printed brochure or a business card. I always give one of my brochures. Have a branded checklist. And then another mistake is no follow-up strategy. You walk the building, smile, shake hands, and then you disappear. There's That's a no-go. Follow up within 24 hours or send a personalized email summary. Nowadays, people make videos in their email. Send a video email. So if you want to stop whining, or should I say winging, if you want to stop winging your walkthroughs, I make it easy for you. Click the link below to download my free commercial cleaning walkthrough checklist. And if you're tired of guessing on your bids and you want to win more contracts, book a call with me today or check out my full bidding program. Everything is linked below. Now, you guys, what I'm working on now, see, these bids that I've been helping my mentees on so far don't even compare to what I'm working on. I'm working on a bid for the university. And I'm gonna tell you, and actually, it's 5 buildings for the one. Here's the scope of work. It comes to like 65,000 square feet. I can't post the documents online because um, those are the university documents. And it states in there, and see, that's why too you have to read everything. It's stated in there, do not share their documents. It's their property. So just please, when you go on walkthroughs, collect the data. You have to get all the information you need. Make sure you got their email. Make sure you know how soon they want the service. What's your entry times? Like, what time can you get in the building? You want to know, where is the trash? Where do you take the trash at? You want to know, where can you keep your supply, so you can see the supply closet, so you can see how you can arrange that and make sure that that's nice and neat. What else? And in order to get any kind of numbers, you need to get the square footage anyway, so you can have a base. And then sometimes the square footage is not what you should go off of because of the scope of work. The scope of work determines how long or short it's going to take you to clean a building. So don't just go looking at the square footage. Look at the scope of work and be clear on the scope of work. Like, you can walk past somewhere and you notice an opportunity and they don't tell you about that. You want to ask them about that. You want to ask them about that. And if you see too many opportunities, please, you have to tell them their building needs a deep clean. And I don't know how much I'm going to stress that, because you want to get a place to your standard and then maintain it. And if it's already dirty, you're it's just not worth trying to clean it on a daily basis. You want to go in there and have a team go in there and deep clean it. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm kind of got my head down this weekend. I have a borough proposal I'm working on. I'm working on, actually, the university sent another bid. Let me tell y'all this story. Okay, for the university opportunity, the walkthrough was Monday. So I go there Monday. It's in the area that you can't park. It's crazy. You can't. Where the university is at, there is no parking, and there's not many parking garages. So I leave the house. The walkthrough's at 10 a.m. I leave the house at 9:15. So I go. I can't find nowhere to park, so I'm late. And when I finally find somewhere to park, I don't see nobody in the building. Not even a human. I could ask a question or nothing. So there's another event that same day. So I said, well, shoot, I'm gonna go to that. This was a walkthrough. This was a procurement fair from the city. And I was going to try to do both, but I was more going to the walkthrough. So I'm riding down the street, and I heard somebody call my name. Well, it's so much traffic, construction. I didn't think nobody was talking to me, so I'm riding slowly down the street, and the group gets near me again, and he calls my name. And I said, oh, shit, I'm saying to myself, I said, you talking to me? And he was like, yeah. He said, we go on. I said, so y'all are the group? I didn't even know who he was, but he recognized me riding down the street in my car. And I'm saying that to say, let people know who you are. I don't even know who he is, and he know who I am. So they had 2 walkthroughs scheduled. I missed Monday. Here I go thinking the next walkthrough is today. Here yesterday, I was so tired. I mean, and then the draining of, like, my team, the mentees, how God is blessing their business already. It's like it just was like overwhelming, and then all the work I have been doing on my own business, and just a lot been going on. So yesterday I took off. Here yesterday was the walkthrough. So I'm cleaning out my voicemails, because I tell you guys, if your voicemail is full, you just closed your business. So I'm cleaning out my voicemails, and I got a voicemail from the lead of the tour for the university. I said, "Oh shoot, he called me too." So I called him back because I missed the second walk. So I asked him, I said, "Well, can I still?" I said, "Y'all sent all the scope of work and everything." I said, "Can I still bid on it?" He said, "Yeah." And then guess what he said? He said, "I can meet you next week." He said, first he said, "What day is the bid due?" I said, "April 3rd. I believe it's April 3rd. He said, "Well, I can meet you next week and so you can get a walkthrough." I said, "See that? Look at God. Like, he gonna take me on a personal walkthrough. How blessed is that?" And then, even though this is a public bid, this was sent to me directly. And then, too, I'm an alumni for one of their programs that I went through, business programs. So I don't know, but they know me. So I'm excited. And then today, their food service, their food, yes, food service, they they won a 3-year contract bid for that. So that walkthrough's coming up. I'm gonna go to that one, and I'm gonna bid on that one too. I got over 20 years experience in the food industry, so yes, I'm bidding on that too. So just come on, y'all, like, get them opportunities. Let's go, so you can bid on them, so you can win, so you can grow your business. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you soon.